Hello, my name is Tim Manzke, and I'm going to show an example of solving an equation. This is a linear equation with fractions. Now, my goal here is to first get rid of all the fractions. Now, in order to do that, what we're going to use is called the distributive property. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 6. I'm going to do that to the left-hand side. I'm going to do that to the right-hand side. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, where am I getting the 6 from? My denominators are 2 and 3. They share a common multiple, which is 6. Common multiple means that 6 divided by 2 is a whole number, 6 divided by 3 is a whole number. That's one way to come up with a common multiple, and this example happens to be the least common multiple. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to use the distributive property on the left-hand side. That means that I'm going to multiply 6 times the fraction x over 2. Bear with me for a second. I'm trying to get rid of that fraction here and just see what I'm doing here. So we're going to have 6 times bear with me for a second. So we're going to have 6 times x over 2 minus 6 times 2/3. Okay, so using the distributive property, I'm going to multiply 6 times each fraction. Now that's going to be the same as saying, instead of saying 6 times, it'll be like 6 times x, or just having, we'll just say 6x. Instead of saying 6 times 2/3, that's going to be the same as taking 6 times 2, which is 12. And then the other side, we have 6 times 1, which is 6. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to reduce each of these fractions to lowest terms. 6 divided by 2, that's going to be 3. So this fraction here, the first one, is going to become 3x. The second fraction, 12 divided by 3, that becomes 4. And then the last fraction here, 6 over 2, that becomes 3. Okay, my goal is to solve for x. What I need to do is I need to get that 3x by itself. So we're going to get rid of that minus 4. And in order to get rid of the minus 4, we're going to do the opposite of a minus 4, which is plus 4, to both sides. And if I do that, the 4's cancel out. On the right-hand side, 3 plus 4 is going to give me 7. The next thing I want to do is I want to get rid of that 3 in front of the x, because I want to get x by itself. So what I'm going to do there is divide both sides by 3. And then as a result, x is going to equal 7/3 as my final answer. Okay, and of course, always when you solve for x, you're going to go back and check to make sure that the little it works out to a correct answer. Alright, my name is Tim Manzke. If you need to see more examples, please let me know. I hope this helps. Please take care and have a nice day.